Meaning of ically.
ically,
Ically.
ically,
ically. The suffix ically is used to form adverbs from adjectives that describe a particular manner, method, or action. It indicates the way in which something is done or achieved. For example, dramatically means in a dramatic or impressive way, while systematically means in an organized and methodical way. The suffix ically can be added to many adjectives to create adverbs that describe how something is being done or achieved. Essentially, ically helps add clarity and specificity to the adverb by describing the specific method or manner in which the action is taking place.